Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about fascinating way to make passive income. Fractional real estate investing. Whether you have been investing for years or you're just getting started, you're in the right place. We will explore how fractional ownership works and how it simplifies real estate investment and how you can start earning passive income using platforms like estateX. And yes, stay with me until the end for details on how you could possibly win a Lamborghini Gallardo. Let's start with the basics. What is fractional real estate investing? In traditional real estate, you typically need a large sum of money to buy an entire property. But with fractional ownership, you can buy a small portion of a property instead, just like owning a share of a company. This means you can invest in real estate without having to save hundreds of thousands of dollars. Here's how it works on estateX. You can invest in tokenized real estate, which means that our property is divided into tokens. Each token represents a fraction of ownership in that property. For example, let's say you buy tokens for a rental property. Now, you own a share of it. By owning these tokens, you get access to two key benefits. The first one is rental income. You will receive a portion of rental income based on the size of your investment. The more tokens you own, the bigger your share of the rent. The second one is appreciation. As the property value increases over time, the value of your tokens can also increase. This means you can sell them later for a profit. Fractional ownership opens a lot of possibilities. Instead of putting all your money into one property, you can diversify your investments across multiple properties and markets. This reduces risk and increases your potential growth. Plus, estateX offers properties that are valued and managed by professionals, so you don't have to worry about day-to-day property management. What makes estateX even more interesting is the flexibility it offers. For example, TokenizeX allows you to tokenize and sell part of your own property to unlock value. And through CapitalX, you can use your tokens as a collateral to take out loans, giving you access to up to 75% of the asset's value. This adds liquidity, which is something not typically available with traditional real estate investment. Another unique feature of estateX is the use of blockchain technology. Blockchain technology ensures that your ownership is secure and transparent, and it allows for easy buying and selling of your tokens. This technology has made real estate investments more accessible and reliable for people who might not have had the opportunity before. estateX is gaining serious momentum, with partnerships with major players like Microsoft and GDA Capital, and having been featured in Forbes and USA Today. It's clear that the platform is set to transform the way we think about real estate investing. Plus, they have already attracted over 120,000 signups, making it one of the most trusted platforms in the market. So why should you consider fractional real estate investing? It's an efficient way to earn passive income and diversify your investments, all without the hassle of managing property directly. Whether you are new into investing or looking to expand your portfolio, platforms like estateX make the process simple, affordable, and transparent. And now for the exciting part. estateX is hosting a Lamborghini Gallardo giveaway, and entering is easy. Here's how you can participate. Sign up for estateX using the link in the description. Share your referral link with friends and family. The more people sign up through your link, the more chances you have to win. That's it. You will be in the running to win this amazing prize. Fractional real estate offers a low-risk way to grow your wealth, and estateX is leading the charge in making this accessible to everyone. Plus, with the chance to win a Lamborghini Gallardo, it's an opportunity you don't want to miss. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more content like this. And remember, if you want to start earning passive income and enter the giveaway, click the link below. Thanks for watching and good luck.
Oh, and in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.